Morning guys, welcome back to Gary the Gardener's. Welcome back to my channel and my plot. Today I finally got my pea trellis fixed into the ground, what I made a few weeks ago, and these peas, Hurst grain shaft, are more than ready being planted out into the garden. So that's what we're going to get on with this morning. Here we go. Right, so what we've done here is pulled a row of onions up that are bolted, prepared the ground, weeded it, and fixed me pea trellis into the ground. And these are my peas, Hurst grain shaft, grown in modules, 2 peas per module. And that's the root system. Earlier in the year I couldn't get a pea to germinate, but now I've got loads. So I'm going to put 2 rows, one either side of this trellis, and then I should get a good crop of peas. So let's get them in. Right, that's one side in. About 40 plants, well 40 cells and 2 peas, so 80 plants on one side. I've got another tray here, so I'll go down this side. So let's get these ones in and then get them watered up. Right, let's get these last few in. Because my onions are a bit bigger yet. So I'm going to do here. Know where to put this tray. Put it back down the bottom. So I've still got onions that needs to harvest, but it's a bit early to harvest them. They're just starting to swell up. And I don't want to take them out too early when they're doing so well. So good root system on these. Right. Drop them in a hole and train the tendrils towards the mesh. Some more plants. So I've squashed my onions there. Right. Hi, this soil was well manured last winter with cow manure, so it should be still full of nutrients, plus the chicken manure that I put on today for these. So I should get a decent crop out of these peas. Right, I'll crack on with these and then I'll bring you back when I'm finished. Right, that's it guys, all the peas are in, both sides of my pea trellis. So when these onions come out, I've got some growing in the space. After I get some on the go for this big space so I don't have any empty gaps when these onions come out. So yeah, I'm pleased with those. Should get a nice crop off them. These were my first peas I put in where I struggled to get germinated, so I'm going to pull the peas off them and then just about finished once them peas are off there. And me this morning. It was a pleasure having you along. Hope you liked the little video and little updates I've been doing. If you haven't already done so, I'll be more than grateful if you would subscribe, and share the videos, and then boost my channel up a little bit. So until next time, bye for now.
They use Codex